What if I told you Earth is spinning faster, right now? Yes, you heard that right. Some days are actually shorter than 24 hours. Surprising, right? This phenomenon is linked to changes in our planet's inner core. Scientists believe shifts in the core can alter our rotation speed, but that's not all. Increased seismic activity is also playing a role. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions can redistribute mass, affecting how fast we spin. It's like a cosmic dance, where every shake matters. And let's not forget about polar shifts. The magnetic poles are moving, and this can impact the rotation. As they shift, the distribution of Earth's mass changes, leading to faster spins. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you lost precious hours. This isn't just science fiction, it's happening right now. The implications are huge. How will this affect our clocks, our routines, and even our seasons? The mystery deepens as we uncover more. Stay tuned, because Earth's secrets are just beginning to unfold. What if your entire reality was a hologram? Imagine living in a universe where everything you see is just a projection. This mind-bending idea comes from the holographic universe theory. It suggests that our three-dimensional world is actually encoded on a two-dimensional surface. How did we get here? It all starts with black holes. When matter falls into a black hole, it seems to disappear. But what if it's just information being stored on the event horizon? This concept challenges our understanding of space and time. Then, enter quantum theory, which reveals that particles can exist in multiple states at once. This adds another layer to the mystery. Scientists like Juan Maldatina have explored these ideas, showing that gravity and quantum mechanics might be linked in ways we can't yet fully grasp. Could it be that our universe is just a grand illusion? If so, what does that mean for our perception of reality? The more we learn, the more questions arise. Are we merely shadows on a cosmic screen? The truth might be stranger than fiction. There's an ocean inside Earth that we didn't even know existed. Recent seismic wave research has revealed a massive hidden ocean beneath the crust. Imagine this. It's estimated to be 3 times larger than all the surface oceans combined. This astonishing discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about our planet. Scientists have long believed that most of Earth's water is found above ground, but this underground ocean could change the game. It sits deep in the mantle, trapped in rock formations. The pressure and heat down there create conditions unlike anything we experience on the surface. What's even more mind-blowing is how this ocean could affect geological processes. It might play a role in volcanic activity and even earthquakes. As researchers dive deeper into this mystery, they're uncovering secrets that could reshape our understanding of Earth's history. So, what if this hidden ocean is the true source of all our water? Could it hold the key to understanding how life began? The possibilities are endless. People are hearing strange noises in the sky. These loud, metallic sounds have been reported around the world. Imagine looking up and hearing what sounds like a giant machine rumbling above you. What could it be? Some recordings capture these eerie sounds, leaving experts baffled. One theory suggests atmospheric pressure changes might be to blame. As air shifts, it could create these haunting noises. Others point to tectonic activity, claiming that the Earth's movements might resonate through the atmosphere, producing these bizarre echoes. In Canada, a video shows a low, droning sound that sends chills down the spine. In the US, a recording reveals a sharp, metallic clang, as if something is stirring in the clouds. Still, no one knows for sure. Are these sounds a natural phenomenon, or is there something more sinister at play? The mystery deepens as reports continue to pour in from every corner of the globe. What do you think is causing these strange noises? Keep listening, because the sky might be trying to tell us something. Did you know the sun is screaming every second? It's true, but don't worry, it's not a horror movie. Sound doesn't travel in the vacuum of space. So how do scientists hear the sun's voice? They tap into solar vibrations. NASA's instruments capture these vibrations, translating them into sound waves we can understand. Imagine waves of energy rippling through the sun's surface, creating a symphony of frequencies. These vibrations reveal the sun's secrets, like its temperature and magnetic activity. The eerie tones echoing from our star are like a cosmic heartbeat, pulsating with energy. Some of these sounds resemble haunting melodies, while others might remind you of a distant roar. This solar symphony helps scientists predict solar storms that can disrupt satellites and power grids on Earth. So while we can't hear the sun's screams, its whispers tell us vital stories about our universe. Next time you look up at the sky, remember, the sun is singing, and it's a song of mystery and wonder. There's a massive alcohol cloud in space, and it's real. Imagine a giant cloud filled with enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Yes, you heard that right. This incredible discovery is located near the center of the Milky Way, in a region called Sagittarius B2. Scientists are buzzing with excitement because this cloud contains ethyl alcohol, the same stuff that makes your favorite drinks. But why is this cloud so fascinating? It offers clues about the chemical processes that occur in space. Understanding how these molecules form can help us learn about the origins of life. Plus, it challenges our view of the universe. Who knew that space could be so intoxicating? This massive alcohol cloud is a reminder that the cosmos holds surprises beyond our wildest dreams. So next time you raise a glass, think about the vast universe where a cloud of booze floats silently. Cheers to the wonders of science. There's a black hole that's bigger than most galaxies. Meet the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy known as IC 1101. It weighs over 17 billion suns. That's right, 17 billion. This colossal monster is growing at an astonishing rate, devouring everything in its path. It's growing faster than entire galaxies around it. Imagine a vacuum cleaner on steroids, sucking up stars and gas like it's nothing. But why is this happening? Scientists believe it could be merging with other black holes or consuming vast amounts of material. This rapid growth raises a shocking question. What happens when it becomes even larger? Could it affect the structure of our universe? The gravitational pull of such a massive black hole could warp space-time itself, and if it keeps expanding, what will be left of the galaxies nearby? Will they survive, or will they simply vanish into the void? What if it keeps growing? The fate of countless stars hangs in the balance. Stay tuned, because the universe is full of surprises. What if the weather forecast said iron showers today? Welcome to WASP-76b, a planet that takes extreme weather to a whole new level, hot enough to vaporize iron. Yes, you heard that right. Iron gas fills the atmosphere like a bizarre metallic fog. But wait, there's more. The other side of this exoplanet is much cooler, where the iron gas condenses and falls back to the surface as molten iron rain. Imagine walking outside and getting splashed by liquid metal. This wild weather is driven by the planet's rapid rotation, creating a stark divide. Winds whip around at incredible speeds, transporting the molten iron from the hot side to the cooler side. WASP-76b is not just a planet, it's a cosmic spectacle. So the next time you complain about rain, just remember, it could be worse. You could be on a planet where it rains molten iron. How's that for a forecast? This creature can survive in space, and it's smaller than a grain of salt. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This tiny micro-animal is a true champion of survival. Imagine enduring boiling hot springs, freezing temperatures, and even the vacuum of space. Sounds impossible, right? But the water bear does it all. These little warriors can withstand radiation levels that would obliterate most life forms. They can dry out completely and still spring back to life when water returns. How do they do it? Tardigrades enter a state called cryptobiosis, where their metabolism slows to a crawl. In this state, they can survive for decades without water. Scientists are fascinated by these resilient beings. They might hold clues to life on other planets. Can you believe something so small can teach us about the universe? Next time you see a grain of salt, remember there's a water bear hiding in plain sight, ready to survive anything. Isn't nature just wild? Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Here's how. Imagine a tiny world where ice, liquid, and vapor coexist in perfect harmony. This magical moment happens at the triple point of water, but what exactly is that? It's a special temperature and pressure where all three phases meet. At 0.01 degrees Celsius and a specific pressure, water can dance between solid, liquid, and gas. Isn't that wild? When pressure increases, the boiling point rises. Conversely, lowering the pressure lets water boil at lower temperatures. Picture this. In a vacuum, water can boil away even at freezing temperatures. It's like a science fiction movie come to life. This phenomenon isn't just a party trick. It's crucial for understanding climate, weather patterns, and even the behavior of other substances. So the next time you sip a drink, remember the incredible science happening at the molecular level. Water is more than just H2O. It's a showcase of nature's wonders. Keep exploring, because science is full of surprises.